Hi everyone, we are back with this video, how to install Windows on your Microsoft Surface. Turn your Surface off. I'm gonna make it off. Once it's off, you need to press volume up and power button till you see the BIOS. And there you go, your BIOS, you are in the BIOS. Now we need to do some changes for booting. Here you can see my Windows drive is on the top and USB on the second, so I'm gonna choose the USB first. I'm gonna click and move it above. We go to this settings and then we click none. On security, change configuration and none, and make this SMT active, and then exit and restart. Now after restart, you need to press the volume down and power key to make your book or USB mode. So I'm gonna do that, and here we go, until I see this booting screen. So it means that I'm booting from the USB. USB should be a GPT partition, not MBR, because this Surface is not accepting MBR. Next, install and wait. And after that, choose your drive and select next, and select your drive. I'm gonna delete all these drives because I don't need any of the, so I'm gonna delete all of them one by one, and there you go. There is my partition that I have to install the Windows. I'm not gonna touch this second drive because my data is in it, and there you go, my Windows is installing in the Surface. Now you have to wait till it reboot. It will take 2 or 3 runs and then reboot. So don't worry, just make it done. Once it's done, then you will see this username. Type your username, next, and all these. There you go. Our Windows and the Surface installed. You can choose any Surface. It's not about this Surface. Okay, once it's done, you just need to install the drivers from the source. I'll provide in the description, and also you need to do some trick after it's installed. Just turn off your Surface and go to BIOS again and choose the Windows Manager on the top. Make sure it's in the top and enable this option if you want, and then exit and restart. That's all for today. See you in the next video very soon. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Subscribe, like, share, comments. We love you all for your support. For non-subscriber, please subscribe. Thanks. That's all for today. See you in the next video very soon.